Hey there, I'm Alex, and this is my submission for the Versus Venture internship opportunity. So today I'm going to show you a project which which is called Quillon, which is a simple note taking app. So let's go. So I have deployed this application, one of the free deployment service, which is called Netlify, where you can host your web applications just by pushing the code through GitHub or just drag and drop your file to Netlify. So today we are going to talk about the application called Quillon. Quillon is nothing but simple name-sticking application created using white React and TypeScript. So Quillon is designed for speed, clarity, and powerful organization. It offers full code operation, meaning you can create, update, and delete nodes with easy, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. And apart from that, you can also mark, your nodes as a favorite, keep private space secure. And private space means I'm talking about where you can, keep your notes privately in the private space. So everything instantly with advanced search powered by keywords and tags. So let's deep dive into the application for it. So first I'm going to show you how to create a node. So you can create a node just by clicking on the plus icon, and most importantly, you can just if you don't like the environment right dark, you can just switch to light and dark instantly. So I feel like dark is more interesting for me. So here's the note type. So you can write anything. So I'm a big fan of Messi and Ronaldo. So I think the note title would be something related to that. So why not? Which is right about Quillen. So I think of writing Quillen itself only. So Quillen, it's well, like so. You see, our title is Quillen, and the content is Bill Alex. I'm a bit selfish. That's why I'm writing my name only, because I built this application throughout by myself only, and I took the help of AI, various AI and LLM, cause Gold.new, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, many of the top AI services are used, which help me build this application super quickly. And so here you can switch between your favorite colors. So I've added six colors, and I think in future I will add more colors apart from the six colors. So you can switch between colors. So I feel like adding green color now. So you can switch between any colors. And what happens if you don't add any color while we are in a dark environment? So if you don't use any color, just click on the cross button, and I'll show you now. So any tag, so we'll just show you the tag also how the tag features are working. You can make the node private just by clicking on the private button, which you can see in the screen. So now I think this node is going to be in the normal space only. So I'm just going to save it. Name is Bullet and the content is built by Alex. So I'm just going to save it just by clicking the then save. So and I think yeah, here we got it. So what happens if you don't select the color? So what happens is that if you don't select the color, we are in a dark environment. So uh, it changes according to the environment. So if you are in a light environment, it will be light, and in a dark environment, it will be dark. So now I'm going to explain features of Quillon, each and every features as simple as possible. Okay. First feature I will explain from the top itself. So first you can pin your notes. So I'm just going to pin the Quillon note. So you see instantly it works so fast, but you can even see how fast it works. Now I feel like doing this once I get a release. Yeah, you can see here how the opening features is working. So one of the feature is key feature is that pin. So if you feel like something is important, you can instantly pin it. And the other one is star, which you can see in the screen itself. So if you click on the icon star, it will be in the star space. So where you can see all your important start nodes. So which is distraction free and quite interesting. I see many web applications often use this thing. I got this idea from WhatsApp. I was scrolling WhatsApp and some of my important notes I have kept in WhatsApp. Start feature or start option. And I thought, why don't we implement this application of Quillon? So, and I thought it would be quite interesting if we do it correctly. I have to thank Cursor.ai, which helped me build this application super easily. And I have to thank myself also because the one who created everything is me. So I'm so proud to represent Quillon to everyone. So, third feature which is talking about is the delete one. So I'm just going to delete this note Unity internship. So we just deleted it and it will be in the delete section. So you see how this is working. So if you want to recover the node, you can just click on the first button, which helps you restore the node instantly. And in case if you feel like deleting the node permanently, you can just click on the cross button, which is in right color, delete permanently. You can delete. If you don't do anything, it will be deleted automatically after 30 days. So this is one of the feature of Colon. So let's deep dive into another. Second is the edit option where you can edit the note easily just by clicking on the second button, edit. So you can change anything. So you see the nothing text is added over here. So this is the edit option. In case you forget to write something and you want to rewrite the note itself again. So I think edit option would be super easy and friendly for you. And if you feel like reading the note which you have created, so you can just read it by the view mode, so which is in the third button. So if I want to read how to create a robot from scratch, so this is I feel like I'm creating a robot. So this is what it requires to create a robot. So that's not I have added. So I can just view it in the view mode. So this is quite interesting. And apart from that, you can also download the note using the download note button. So you can download the note as a text format as well as a PDF portable document format. So I just went down and tried to text. So I think it's looking pretty good. So what about the PDF? It's super good. So next is the copy one. So where you can easily copy the text. For example, I'm copying it away, and I'm just going to paste it in the notepad. You see how super it's working. So and the last and most super feature is that you can share the note to anyone. So just by clicking on share button, you can share the note. And I feel like sharing this important. I feel like most people share this note in WhatsApp, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So that's why we just added three of this application. And you can also share to Gmail just by clicking on the share button. So in future, I would think that I will add more, share options where you can easily switch between which you want to add. So this won't be much hassle in the future. So this is what Quillon is actually. So now I'm going to show you some hidden features, which I think you haven't guessed yet. So let's go deep dive into it. So I think it's enough with dark mode. Let's switch to light mode. So here we go. So you see the colors and the text itself also switches between light and dark environment, which I feel is quite interesting and super warming. So I think everyone would see this as a great place to store their notes and easily manage their productivity and organize each and everything which obviously feel like important. So I'm going to show you a feature called file where you can create your note and store your note itself in the file. So here we go. I'm creating a note called nothing. So here we content is nothing phone. So our title is nothing and our content is nothing phone. And I'm going to select the color green. I'm just going to, here's the magic which is going to happen. If you want to store any of the note in a file, you can just write file, which is a reserved word in Quillon application, and write the file name which you want to be, which you want to feel like using it. So file phones. So this will create a file folder named phones entire the node, nothing will be stored in it. So we're just going to save it over here. And this is our main page where I think you want to find the uh, nothing node. So it will be in the phone. So you can see in the down. So it has created a folder called phone, and you can see the icon itself. So in the phone, you see the node is the nothing. And if in case I have to view it, I can view it. If I want to delete it, I can delete it. Yeah, it will be in the delete icon. So I can recover it or permanently delete it. So I feel like recovering it. So because I'm using nothing phone, so I don't feel like deleting it right now. So just recovering it. And this is how Quillon works. And it's the star feature I think I have showed you. So now you might guessed out why tags are in a blue, green, and gray color, while uh, the tags which are in blue color are filed, and I think most people have guessed it because you can see the logo itself. So there's a file logo next to the name. So this is a file tag. And why gray tags? So for example, if you're creating a file tag and inside the file tag, you're storing a normal tag. For example, you're creating a file called file tag called phone and you're storing a normal tag called nothing. And this normal tag which is created inside the file, okay? So this will be in green color. Actually, you see here, it is in green color. um, the color of gray, which represents that these nodes are in main page itself, and it doesn't have any, file. They are not stored in any file. They are totally independent. They are in the main page itself. So you can see there's a solar and main page. So now I'm going to show you the private space, how the private space is actually working on. So this is the private space. So how do you create a private space? When someone is using Quillon.netlify.app, which I deployed in Netlify. So when you're using this application, so there will be two options. One is enter the password and re-enter the password. Once you ensure both you will be in the private space itself. So one of the disadvantage I would like to mention is that in case if you forget the password, you cannot recover it because in the Quillon application, we have not, used authentication. So there could not be any chance of recovering the password. So this would be one of the disadvantage why we didn't add authentication because we felt like because I feel like no sticking application should be super quickly and user can just say the notes instantly without any hassle of login. While most note sticking application requires login and much more. So I think this would be hassle when it comes to note sticking application. So for such reasons, we have avoided authentications, and this is also a drawback for us. In future, I think this will be changed. So if you forget the password, I'm so sorry, guys. There is no option to recover it. Only option to delete your private space, and you can just create another one. So I'm so sorry about it. And in future, um, I will bring something to recover the password itself. So I'm just going to enter my private space password. So you see my private space. I'm just having only one node, uh, which no node title is one, and the tag is now one, and the content is also one. So just to show you all, I have created few minutes ago. So all my important nodes are important. All my important nodes are in important file and add example. And you can also see over here a log icon which represents this node is a private node which you cannot see in the normal one because this is where most users see in case you want to hide something from your friends, families, or teacher, some important news. So just you can use a private space. So, yeah, if you don't write the password correctly, it won't ensure. So you see, now I'll teach you how to create a private node. Now I'm going to write two content, the title also two, the tag is also two. I'm choosing yellow color and I'm just going to click on the private icon which is used to shift the node from main page to private space. So just save it and here we go. This two node you can't find in the main page itself. So you can't find it. I can show you by searching it too. So see the thing is here. Let's see in the private space. Yeah, here you can see because we searched it over here. So this is how Quillon works. Um, in future we're going to add more features, um, more features to boost productivity, and everything should be organized. So this is what Quillon is. So in short, I'm going to say what Quillon is. So in short, Quillon is a productivity first note app that adapts to your workflow. It adapts to your workflow, okay? Whether you are a student, developer, or entrepreneur, it's live, open source, and ready to grow. And one of the key features is that I have also published the code and GitHub, which I'm going to show you now. So you can also download you can also download the code from my GitHub, which is Alex Joshua /Quillon. So from here you can download the code of Quillon, and you can also contribute to open source. We welcome open source contribution for this application, and the user can also use it for their personal use until and unless um, we won't encourage users using it for any paid services or anything else. It is exclusively under a Quillon exclusive license. So we won't encourage for such things. If you're an open source guy would like to contribute to open source, we would highly recommend you for this thing. And I'm super excited to keep improving it and would love the chance to scale this mindset with the team at Venture Capitalist. Thank you for watching. And this is my application link. I hope everyone uses it, and let me know how it's